So I made a carpentry video today, and I forgot to make an intro. So here's me doing some work, building some steps, ripping some wood, just, you know, a little bit of me doing my carpentry. And I hope you enjoy. Roll the tape. God, this guy takes forever in production. Alright, let's see what we got done. Got stairs on both sides done today. Would have filmed more, but it wouldn't play my music and film at the same time, so I gave up on it. But got some stuff. Much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting me on my Patreon, on my Spreadshirt, if anybody tries to watch every single video. I appreciate you. I should be wrapping this up tomorrow. I still have the trundle beds to build. But there's a little bit of what it looks like watching me work and what I'm working on. See you on the next one. Thanks to all my moderators, number one, Rosie, and all the moderators around YouTube. You guys do a good job. See ya. This video was brought to you by
Jones
Productions. Jones Productions, that's right. Thank you for joining us at Jones Productions. Much love to our number one mod, Rosie. We love you.